Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. I'm getting ready to slow cook a soup, a hearty chicken vegetable soup. It's cold here today, 55 degrees. Anyway, let's get started. So I'm gonna lower this so y'all can see what I'm doing. Right here. This is the Crockpot I'm using. And I always use a liner so I don't have to wash it. Oh, first I'm going to put some water in the bottom of here, in here. Put it in the ceramic insert. Then I'm going to put in the liner, slow cooker liner. Have to open it up. Fit it in there. And fold it down. Don't ever tuck the liner up under here because the plastic will melt. I did that before with a big, nice, like a turkey slow cooker. The big giant one. And the plastic melted on there. It hurt me so bad. Couldn't get it off. Okay. Now, since there's water in the bottom of there, up under the bag, I'm going to turn this on. I'll put it on high. Okay, I'm going to start out with some washed and seasoned chicken legs. They were in the freezer, so they're frozen. I'm going to put the meat on top. Okay, I'm going to have vegetables. I'm putting it in there first. And I will be cutting up a few white potatoes to put in here. And pour this water out. And replace the water with chicken broth. I got a can of mixed vegetables. I got some green beans. I'm going to put some potatoes in here. I'm not sure if I'm going to use this chicken soup or not. Let me pull this out. And like I said, these chicken legs are already seasoned, so I'm not going to add any extra salt. Maybe a little. And meanwhile, I'm going to cut up these potatoes. I'm gonna turn this off and I'll be back. This is how the vegetables are looking so far. I don't have any juice in here yet. I'm trying to decide if I want the cheese ravioli in here or some noodles. Let me use the cheese raviolis. Look like that. Look like it's about 10 or 12. And they're frozen. I'm gonna put these frozen chicken legs that are already seasoned. I think I'm gonna put some onion, granulated. Oh my gosh! Open up granulated onion. That's some granulated garlic. I'm going to use some chicken base. It's like a chicken bouillon paste. Just need a little. About a teaspoon. This stays refrigerated. And I'm not going to put this in here. Cream of chicken soup. Yes. And this has salt in it, but food won't be too salty. Cream of chicken soup. And I am going to add some pepper and the chicken broth. It'll be a nice hearty soup. I love soup, y'all. Add the washed and seasoned chicken legs. Get in there. Put it right on top. I got some chicken broth. Whenever you slow cook food, you just need very little liquid, because it will make more juice. I'm thinking that's all I need. Oh, let me get the pepper. I kept this can here because I was going to get all the goodness out of this can with that chicken broth, but I didn't. I forgot. Get some pepper. Bought a new thing of pepper. I like to see my seasonings. I don't know where my Italian seasoning is. I had some. Don't know where it is. Empty bottle. Okay. Ain't got none. So, put the lid on here. I'm gonna show you how it looks. Just a minute. That's how it looks right now. So I'm gonna check it in 3 hours. And I have it turned to high. It's on high heat. Okay, put the lid on it. Okay. I ain't got to worry about dinner. I'll see y'all in a little while. Okay, I made some rice with jollof rice seasoning in it. In my aroma rice cooker. I'm going to unplug it. This is how my chicken, vegetable, and pasta soup looks. Oh, I cut the chicken off the bones. They were chicken legs. This is steaming up. I'm trying to get a good thumbnail. I'm going to dish up my dish and I'll be back. Okay, here's my chicken, vegetable, and ravioli soup. It's hot. And I tasted the broth. It's awesome. I'm going to taste the broth. Steaming hot. I'm tasting some of the rice with the broth. Comfort food. Oh my goodness. 10:30, 11, 12, 1. Well, it took 3.5 hours for this to cook. Chicken legs were frozen. I cut the meat off the bones. I didn't want the skin. I don't like slimy chicken skin. So, I love a good soup, y'all. So I want to thank you all for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll be posting more often now. Okay. Y'all be blessed and bon appetit. Bye.